Now, I know a lot of people will go like, what an OTA lab and why am I here? Well, an OTA means over the air, and it's basically used to test transmissions and receiving performance of a smartphone's antenna. The Doogee V10 5G rugged smart mobile phone has 8 antenna positions. Our researcher needs to make the simulation stage and make sure to have no debugging. As you can see, there are a lot of white crosses here, and these are measurement antennas. We have a total of 12 measurement antennas, and this is what is going to send and receive signals. We also have a simulator in the base station outside, which can simulate signals like the GPRS, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and also ensure optimal connections. By the way, our smartphone, the Doogee V10, supports all frequency bands, being it the USA, the UK, Australia, and Canada. Aside checking for strong signal transmissions, these results could be used by carriers to optimize their base stations layout throughout their networks, lowering costs in building network infrastructures.